In this video, we are going to discuss how to name molecular compounds. These are quite a bit easier than the ionic ones because of how little memorization there is. Just the one learning outcome for this one. We want to learn how to name molecular compounds. This will come up whenever we have two nonmetals. The only memorization needed is learning the prefixes. I'll talk about the methodology for naming in a moment, but first let's start by introducing the prefixes. We will use these in front of the name of the element to denote how many elements that there are. For 1, it is mono. 2, it is di. 3, it is tri. 4, it is tetra. 5, penta. 6, hexa. 7, hepta. 8, octa. 9, nona. And for 10, it is deca. For covalent compounds, you are simply going to name the species, put the prefix on them as appropriate. In the first word, you'll use the prefix only if you have more than one. For the second word, you're going to add the prefix regardless of the number, even if there's only one. You then can add an IDE ending suffix to the second word. Give these each a shot in between me just telling you the answers. For PCl3, we'll name the first element phosphorus, and then use the prefix tri and add an IDE to chloride. So it will be phosphorus trichloride. For the next one, we have sulfur and then 5 fluorides. So it's sulfur pentafluoride. The last one, we'll have carbon tetrafluoride. So that will be C with 4 fluorines. And one final one, dinitrogen tetrahydride. Here we'll have a prefix on both words because the first element also has more than one. And so it will be N2H4. There is only one small complication to this. If the element starts with a vowel, we will drop the prefix vowel to make it a bit smoother to say and write. For example, with N2O4, it is called dinitrogen tetroxide. Notice that it is not dinitrogen tetraoxide, but dinitrogen tetroxide. And this finishes up our nomenclature for covalent compounds.